Welcome to ASK Tutorials. This is our C programming series and we are learning decision making statements in a C. If you are not seen our previous videos, then watch it. Link is given into the description box. In this video we are going to learn about the nested switch statement. A nested switch statement refers to switch statements inside of another switch statement. It is possible to have a switch as a part of the statement sequence of an outer switch. Even if the case constants of their inner and outer switch contain common values, no conflicts will arise. This is the syntax for a nested switch statement. Here we are seeing two switch conditions are here. First is a switch CH1 and inside that we declared a case 1 which is our outer part means outer part switch condition, and inside that we declared a inner part switch condition. This by seeing a program we will come to know how the switch condition work. Let's see a program. First we declared a preprocessor command, then we declared a main function. Inside a main function we declared the integer variables x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Then we declared a switch condition. Here expression is a x which comes inside the brackets, then opened a curly braces here. Inside the switch case we declared a case 1 and inside a case 1 we declared the inner switch case, that is a switch y, and inside that we declared a case 2, case 3, and we closed here our inner switch case, and here we break our case 1, then we declared a case 4, case 5 and default value. Here we declared a condition that switch x, where x is equal to 1, so it will go to the case 1, and inside a case 1 we declared the switch y, where y is equal to 2, so it will go to the case 2 and we will get output as a choice is a 2. Here we will get output as a choice is a 2 because we declared a y is equal to 2. This is how the nested switch statements works in a C. Thank you for watching the video. In the next video we are going to learn about the loops in a C.